Here's my International Scout restoration project. Um, it's I believe 1968. That's the post truck there. That's the one I was originally working on the axle, and the axle was all screwed up, so that's now the parts truck, which it was actually originally just bought for parts for this truck. It's slightly different. The dash in that one is not the same as this here, although this is pretty nice. I mean, the other one I like a little better, but this is still pretty nice. Got the radio there, which I'm going to change out for custom radio eventually. Ignition all, stuff, lights, fuel gauge. I'm not sure what this is actually. It might be that's the choke, the heater. But so this one's a lot better too for rust. There's no rust on this. It's got Dana 27A axles, I believe. Just confirm that. Let's see. I believe. Where is it? Yeah, 27A. It says it right here. It's hard to see on this video. That's the other side though. Really dark, sorry. This bed is gonna be. I'm gonna put the bed back on it. All the stuff's already sanded down, and so it'll eventually look like that, but with no rust, and it'll have this paint scheme, which is like a Desert Storm, which should be cool. I mean, there's still a lot of work, obviously. Oh yeah, the hardest problems were changing the engine and transmission, me and my dad. So it's gonna go from the engine and transmission in there, and take that out and put it in this one, because we know that engine runs, because I drove that thing all over the place until the axle burned out. So that's that. It's gonna look pretty cool though. I want to take the top off and just have it put a roll bar on it or something, so I can put like a little canvas top. That'd be so cool, like a Jeep. But there's a Scout. And I have two grills here, so I can, I guess, take my pick. The one that says International, the golden IH. I kind of like that IH. The International Harvester symbol better. But I think there's one that's supposed to be on the hood. Maybe. No, on mine it's on the parts truck. Coming out here. Yeah. Goes right like that. And this should be red on black, but maybe I'll put that on later. And see, the dash on this is quite a bit different. I like this one better. So I'm probably going to eventually take this dash off and put it on, see if I can kind of put it on that one. But that's like a while, if I even decide to do that. But that's that. Really rusty, really dark video. There we go. No rust. A lot of sawdust on it though. But this project should be starting really soon, hopefully, and then a couple weeks. So I really would love this though for summer. Obviously, got to put the doors all together. some nice new hinges on it. It's all been painted and all. And then clean up the dash, definitely. Yep. That's my truck project. Anyway. Got it blocked up right now because this wheel's off. That one, and I blew a tire out on that truck, so that's when that one was driving, so I have a whole bunch of tires over there. So this bigger one right here is the one that goes on it, the bottom one. So this weekend, maybe tomorrow actually, I'll put that wheel back on and take those blocks out. I'm not going to show the engine because we're going to swap that. So there's really no point. I mean, I could just... And this is really heavy. My dad wants to put little aluminum, stainless steel, some sort of cut it open and put like air vents, or air scoops, just to make it crumple and crash. But that's an idea for later. So I'm gonna keep that hood there just in case I want to go to like a antique car show and keep it looking original. Not have, I mean it wouldn't look cool though with like air scoop there and there. So anyway, there it is.